Earlier, I spoke to you asking if I could receive light. Showing you love is a heavenly sign. I'ma be alright. The blessing within our spirit is something we shall receive. The impossible is possible once you know how to master and achieve what you want in life. Thank you every day for waking me up so I can keep shining bright as the days go on. Planting these seeds so my spiritual tree can live long within my soul. No greater truth is given once it's being told due to presence and energy within the heart. Allowing these birds to be free so I can release them away from the dark so they can continue that amazing and beautiful spark in the sky while the love from above is allowing them to fly high.